Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative section. So the question we have in front of us is a very interesting one pertaining to numbers. So let's take a look. The least number which on division by 35 leaves remainder 25 and on division by 45 leaves remainder 35 and on division by 55 leaves remainder 45. Okay, so we need to find the least number. Okay, so here let least number be x. Okay, so now we have seen, so when x is divided by 35 we have remainder as 25, difference being 10. Okay, so basically the number comes out to be x plus 10. So the number is 10 more than 35. Okay, again if the number number is not 10 more, number is 10 less than 35. Okay, basically x minus 10 should be our number. Again, number on division by 45 leaves remainder 35. Again the difference is of 10, so in this regards again x minus 10, because if x is less than by 10 then we'll have remainder 35. Again when x is divided by 45 it leaves remainder 55. Again difference is of 10. Okay, so indirectly we know that our final value should be x minus 10, whatever the x is. So least number if we talk about, so LCM of 35, 45 and 55 is what we need to focus on. So if we talk about the same, okay, so this is what we have. So 55 into 63, so that would give us 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay, so therefore least number satisfying the condition will be 3, 4, 6, 5 minus 10 or 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, which will be my answer 3, 4, 5, option 2. So I hope this question is clear to you, the approach of the same and everything we have done. In case you have any doubt, kindly go through the video. There should be plenty to give you an understanding regarding the question. Okay. Now, having said that, if you are looking for the detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. And apart from that, if you are looking for any, competitive exam-based preparation like guidance or anything of those sort, so any guidance you might need, or if you need any kind of help with respect to any subject or concept on which you feel the need of further expertise of further explanation and feel our expertise will be of help to you, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay, now if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We will continue our discussion as well as similar questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, signing out. Thank you so much.